Meaning of kudzu.
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 Kudzu. Kudzu is a type of climbing vine that is native to Japan and southeastern China. In English, the word kudzu can also refer to the plant's name in Japanese. The plant has also been introduced to other parts of the world, including the southeastern United States, where it is known for its aggressive growth and ability to quickly cover and smother other plants and trees. Kudzu has been used for a variety of purposes, including erosion control, as a source of food in traditional medicine, and as a component in papermaking and other industries.